Saturday morning. So as you saw, I got my workout done. I just made breakfast, forgot to film, sorry. I did not do a Memorial Day vlog. I honestly did not get many clips. I was actually gonna film something else for the end of the week, but I ended up getting a sinus infection, so I've been kind of trying to do what I could to deal with that situation. Today is a Saturday. I'm gonna leave here in probably the next 30-ish minutes. I gotta go to one Walmart to do a return, go to the gas station, and then go to another Walmart market to pick up my groceries. So we're gonna run those errands. My mowers are supposed to be here somewhere between 9 and 11. So I'm hoping I make it back before they start. And then after they're gone, I may go back out. I need to run to, I think, Home Depot. I'll probably go get the stuff. I don't know 100% if I'll get down on the floor and handle that. I also want to cut Riley's nails today, and he needs a bath. But I think that's like all that's really truly on my list today. Obviously, I'm trying to take it a little easy so I can continue healing a little bit better. Yesterday, I actually felt almost back to normal last night before I went to bed. It comes right back in the morning. And I've been using nasal spray and taking extra airborne, and during the day I can feel great, but again, I don't know if my nose is blocking up at night. I'm gonna take the dog out, brush my teeth, and then get ready to head out to go to the first Walmart. We're gonna run those errands real quick, or at least try to make them quick, and then we'll be back. I'm not gonna show you the groceries because I'm gonna film that as a separate grocery haul, which you'll see before this. I am over here like 20 minutes before my order is supposed to be ready. I'm hoping it is ready early. For some reason at the Walmart, they couldn't return my item. It just wouldn't come up. So they're recommending I pick up my order, wait for the other portion of shipment to come in tomorrow, and then try to return it once the order's technically complete. I'm hoping it does work. So now we're here at Walmart Market, and I'm gonna have to wait for them to tell me my order's ready for pickup. Got all the groceries put away, cars put back. It's supposed to rain, but also my mowers are supposed to be here. I'm gonna do my Duolingo real quick because I keep forgetting on the weekends to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out and then probably chill for a little bit. I want to edit the grocery haul so that's ready to go, and then hopefully we can get to Riley.
Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times. Changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space. In space. Someday never comes. Road trips and shotguns. Sunshine on my skin. Smile is kicking in. Vibes are in the air. Jumping everywhere. Endless nights. 'Cause summer's on my mind.
Let's go. He quickly went potty, but the mowers got here right when we went out. So they're gonna mow and Riley's going chill. I'm gonna run to Home Depot. I gotta go pick up one item to hopefully fix the rest of the floors in the kitchen. And then I think I'm gonna run through the car wash real quick and pick up Taco Bell for dinner on the way home. Up my Taco Bell. I'm gonna go home and eat and probably take it easy. I really don't plan on doing anything else tonight just because my head's raging so hard right now. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, but I do hope that you enjoyed, and as always, I hope everyone has a blessed day.